President Emmerson Mnangagwa on Thursday inspected the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) vaults, with officials informing him Zimbabwe has 1.1 tons of gold. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The tour was part of the handover of the key assets from the outgoing governor Dr. John Mnangagwa to the incoming Dr. John Mushayavanu. The visit was aimed at taking stock of the gold and cash reserves held by the bank. Zimbabwe has 1.5 tons of gold kept offshore, enough to back the Zimbabwean dollar, said Finance Ministry Permanent Secretary George Guvamantanga. Addressing delegates shortly after the tour, Mnangagwa said his administration transformed how the central bank operates. This is today's news about Mnangagwa inspecting RBZ gold reserves ahead of monetary policy statement. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.